Kungaloosh, everybody! I am here today for the Festival of the Arts, and look at this. The construction walls are down. We can get a full view of the fountain completed. I assume it's completed with the sneeze guards, as I nicknamed them. Alright, so a few days ago, I booked a day at Epcot, you know, mostly just to get out of the house. It's been a really crazy week, both in the world and in my world. And then it occurred to me that, well, Alicia pointed out, you know, you booked on the first day of the Festival of the Arts, right? Oh, okay. I noticed they're also doing the cookie trail again, and the first stop is here at Canada. So I'm going to get a vanilla rosewater and pistachio cookie. I don't know if it's a cookie. So it's still pretty early. Park just opened up. Citrus Blossom is still here. And they only have drinks here by the looks of it. They still have the orange cream shake in the sipper cup. And a number of other things. I'm going to try something later. But as you can see, like, not everything is open as of yet. Let's see, Canada's right over here. Let me check out their, oh yeah, the cookie treat or whatever. All right, here's the Canada. That vanilla rosewater and pistachio. It's a little expensive for $8. I've noticed the prices are a little higher than they have been before. But that risotto also looks really good. All right, so a procession just went by. Here it is. This is the rose. I don't know, it looks like ice cream kind of like thing. And for getting this, I got the stamp, and once you get like another 4 more, you get a complimentary treat. The funny thing is they didn't have the stamp ready when I bought this. So that is the very first stamp of the Festival of the Arts for 2021. It's the first one. I know that because they weren't ready. They had to go searching for the stamps. All right, so here we go with the rose. Oh wow, that's hard as a rock, actually. Crumbly. Oh wow, look at that. It splits right open. Look at that. It's like some kind of mousse inside of a chocolate shell type of deal. Oh wow. There we go. Wow. That's actually really good. That's it's got like this strawberry inside of it as well. This is a unique thing. Pretty hard to put together, I would imagine. This is good. All right, I can tell you that treat was really good. When I come back in a few days with Alicia, I'm sure she's going to want to try it. Now, I'm trying to meet up with my friends Chris and Susan from Ear to Ear Magic. They are live streaming, and I was going to surprise them because my signal was so bad. Actually, that's them right there.
How's it going, sir?
Hi.
How are you doing?
Good. I've officially hijacked their live stream. They've invited me to join along. We're going to do some merchandise looking around, which is fine because I was just here for a short day anyway, which so are they. By the way, Ear to Ear Magic, go subscribe to them, link down below. So we got a lot of stuff over here. We got Chris from Ear to Ear Magic. I got Adam the Woo over here. I don't want to bug him too much. There's lots of stuff going on over here. This is Doug Bowie. His artwork was selected as the official artwork of Festival of the Arts. It wasn't this piece, but this is one of his pieces. It's really good. I really love this one, especially with Typhoon Lagoon in the background.
I'll tell you what,
There it is. This is the official art piece.
Right there. I want that for my own wall. That is just nice.
That is wonderful.
Two hidden Mickeys that I know of. There's probably other ones that I don't know of.
Oh, really? If you want more information about Doug, here you go. It's crazy down there. I thought a procession was coming with everybody cheering. Now it's just Adam the Woo walking through the crowd, everyone cheering for him. Adam the Woo, as big as Mickey Mouse. And this one by Kent Hammerstorm, called it Carl and Ellie. And I don't think I need to reference it after that. We're commenting how windy it is. Like, all right, it got really loud because there's a cavalcade coming by. Here I am in France, and they've got a good amount of stuff to choose from. The croissant, I can't pronounce any of these things. All right, so they got macaroons, they got chocolates, they have some kind of petite pain, I don't know what that is, and they also have a croissant. So no escargot this time around, maybe later on in the festival. And here comes horses. Oh, it's a princess eye. Hey, how you doing, ladies? Looking lovely. Guy complained every day about having to clean up the horse poop. They said, well, why do you keep doing this job if you don't like it? It's like, what, leave show business? All right, Jeff here. I think I really like his artwork. Holy cow, this is great. Here's me, Jeff. Here's some of his work. I really like this stuff. I really like this stuff. There's some artwork by Joey Chow. This one in particular, I really like the kitty. Kitty! the ratatouille. I'm in love with this one.
Dude, that would be perfect for a kitchen.
Oh, it would. Sir, you have a rat in your kitchen. Don't worry, he's part of the staff. He's clean. This is McBiff. He did some of the artwork that you saw earlier. Quite a character, as you can tell.
I think he's too cool.
Toy box tomatoes. Okay, on the rack of lamb. Now, they had a pork or a lamb shank for the food and wine, and it was about the same size. It was very
I remember
small.
you talking about it. It was a very small.
It
portion.
was very small, but it was a ton of flavor. So I'm hoping this is kind of like the same thing. This is the treat, the mouse cachu. That's the best way I'm gonna pronounce that. I think this is like an edible tile that it's on top of. And this is a blackberry cider. It looks, I don't care, it looks good. All right, heading into Art of Disney. Let's see what they got in here. I'm gonna guess art. Check out these maquettes. Ooh. Oh, wow. I like the Iago here. Oh, 3 Caballeros Donald. Jeez, and look at the genie. The tiki room. I'm drooling. Alright, check out this block of mosaics. That's crazy good.
Always want the baby, okay?
Ooh, it's another one. Alright, check out these little light gallery window boxes, I guess. Wow. Got a bunch of these 3D art pieces. Somewhere between 80 to 100 bucks, depending on, I guess, like how intricate they are. This one looks like a lot of work went into it. Oh wow. Oh wow. This one's crazy. Right, they're doing an animation academy at the American Pavilion, or the concert hall. It's really cool. They got an overhead camera, and he's demonstrating how you would draw, like, I don't know exactly what he's doing, but he's just going through like the basic steps for animation and all kinds of artwork. All right, over here in Germany, they have the Cuisine Classique, beef rib short ribs, Koch en Vin, it's a chicken dish, opera cake. That sounds really good. And the Artist Palette Jumbo Chocolate Chip Cookie. Oh, we've had that before. That's really good. Piece of work right here is like a mashup of all the World Showcase pavilions. And they say there's close to 60 hidden Mickeys on here. Go ahead, pause this right now, and then see if you can find all 60. Did you find them? Good for you. This piece of Figment I have actually as my screensaver on my computer, so seeing it still here is amazing. It's 950 bucks. So here at the refreshment outpost in between China and Germany, I think it is. Yeah, They have a veggie bratwurst that's made of jackfruit. Now, you guys know I have a jackfruit tree, and I tried harvesting it once with moderate success. Check out that video, I'll drop a link. So, yeah, jackfruit bratwurst. You know what, I'm game, I'll try it. I need something at least tastes like protein now. This is a plant-based jackfruit bratwurst with, I wonder what the bratwurst itself is made of. Because I can see the jackfruit on the side.
I thought the jackfruit was the bratwurst.
So did I, but now that I'm looking at it.
It's got the little jackfruit barbecue on top of the bratwurst.
And is this yellow stuff the aioli or is that mustard?
I think it's aioli.
It's the aioli. I was thinking it was the violet mustard,
yeah.
but that was over in Germany. That's where the violet mustard was.
Just tasted a little bit of it. It's like, oh yeah.
I'm trying to put some...
I don't think there's a wrong way.
Oh, I can think of a few wrong ones. You want to see one of them? Here we go.
Yeah.
Oh, it's going to get everywhere. Just go for it.
I think that's the point. No mercy. Mercy is for the weak.
The slaw just looks so good.
Can I tell you, I am digging this place right now.
Isn't it awesome?
Aside from being out of the wind, it is so peaceful and so quiet in here right now.
This is my favorite relaxation station.
So, the slaw. I love anything with slaw.
You're a slaw guy.
I'm a slaw.
All right, so the bratwurst. What do you guess it's made of?
People?
It's Soylent Green.
Soylent Green. It's made of soy something. No, I don't know. I'm not really sure.
Also, I got a Outpost lemonade, which is basically just lemonade and vodka. So, it's more vodka than lemonade too.
That's how he likes it.
Yeah, it's really, really good. I gotta stop it. You're right. This bun is pretty lousy. You're right, Chris. There's no way,
Onions.
easy way to do this.
Hang on. If I had to do this.
That's what your beard is for, to catch all the stuff that falls out.
Oh,
Yeah.
it's going to call your beard bald. It's going to look weird.
More so.
It's pretty jacked up.
That is so much better than I thought it was going to be. Yeah, this is Alker House right now. It's a relaxation station. As you can see, the not being used as the buffet that it normally would be. So it's very quiet, very peaceful. All right, here at Mexico, for El Artis Humberto. If I said that right. They have the chili relleno, they have a pork belly pastor, and a taco de chocolate. Obviously, Choco Taco, basically. Ooh, they also have Diego pomegranate margarita and a carrot margarita. Carrot margarita. I don't know what's going on.
I hate it when that happens.
Well, you know, if it stays like that for 4 hours or longer.
Well, you just need to kind of just wet it and wipe it back down, right?
Forget exactly where I parked. I know it was in the 60s. I could just be like what everybody else does and just hits their alarm until their car goes off. But guys, thanks for tuning in to this day one of Festival of the Arts, otherwise known as the sun's behind me, otherwise known as the Fart Festival. Maybe I'll stay here until Monday. Need to find my car. I'm in row 66 right now. But yeah, thanks again to Chris and Susan letting me tag along. They were just here for a short trip themselves, and that's all I wanted to do was just come get a quick glimpse of everything and then let Alicia and I really take it in a few days later. Until then, guys, again, thanks for tuning in. I hope you like and subscribe. You know the whole deal. And where the heck did I park?